wanted back.
Log in now. You're full of shit.
Okay, guys.
Because they all said switch to Instagram.
Robbie, should have back.
IG! IG!
I swear, you should allow them to write one message to them to tell them to knock the fuck off. I asked him what
That boy right there will not touch a fucking device in my house
I asked him what he's going to say when he
ever again.
It's not screen recorder, time recorder, X recorder, it's not X recorder, it's time recorder. It's not Alexa, it's not Alexa, it's time recorder. Amazon Music is not Amazon Music, it's time recorder. Wells Fargo is not Wells Fargo is
Temporary.
time recorder. Timu is not Timu, it is time recorder. Tensorfer is not Tensorfer, is die Tensorfer. Premolia is not Premo, it's a die Premolia. There we go.
last time or recently?
Was to make Earth.
How?
What'd you do?
Okay,
Biting
let's
yourself?
do.
I tried biting myself once.
Oh
I
no!
never broke the skin. Did it hurt like hell? Did you stop?
You know, I've been in a mental hospital
Did you ever want to do it again?
multiple times.
Is it like Ryan when he's really angry and he can't really control himself? And then he just needs time
There's
to...
a.
No, I do.
Really big. There you go.
I've been there, but you're not gonna do it in my house.
I used to bang my head on the wall. That's how I hurt myself. But I never wanted to kill myself or die. Which one was your intention?
Die.
You can't die on my dad.
Trying to die.
Why you can't die, Dad? Whoa, it's a sunshine, my only sunshine. It was me. Whoa.
So that means you need therapy, not medicine. You need to learn to rewire your brain.
Moon, Neptune over here. Neptune is over here. Uranus, big. Mars is over here. Jupiter is a big one. Yeah. So, in the internet. Oh, guys. Yes.
Every member of both sides of my family is suicidal or depressed, except for me, including Jeremy. Have any of my family members died from suicide or attempted suicide?
Ooh, this is the newest one, May 3rd.
But you and your girlfriend both say that these are temporary emotions that pass through your brain and you make permanent decisions based off of them. You take permanent risks. Yes or no? Are you going to follow through with hurting yourself?
Daddy! Daddy!
Follow my
There's
rules.
Iowa. There's Iowa right
Obstinate
there.
person, don't put it on the internet.
Did you went there yesterday,
Isn't that all
Iowa?
I asked you to
Mhm.
do?
You went there yesterday? Is that Iowa you went there?
Why do you keep putting it on the internet just because they're talking about it? You want to talk about it on the internet.
Whoa, what the? Where are you?
It's that we
I
don't
want to go
have
to our space. Daddy, Dad. Can you go to our
And when I
city?
say they,
Rollins?
everyone.
Go to our city.
School, the police, the judge in Vegas, CPS
Okay.
here.
Be careful. There's Wyoming. Wyoming.
Mental instability,
Rollins right there. Go to Rollins.
intolerance,
Rollins.
and physical harm to yourself or to others. It's a basic question every counselor asks. Every time I've ever been in Louisville. Right? How many times I've been in Louisville since you met?
No, go back.
I'm still in Louisville now.
No.
My brother was out of homicide on the suicide.
We were right here.
I'm saying for both. Because I know the basic 10 questions.
We're right here.
Yeah, we're in Rollins. Runs in the family.
Whoa, what the fuck? What the fuck? They're free. I just go to YouTube. Let me go back. Oh yeah. Whoa, people.
Why is this so gross and satisfying at the same time?
How many planets are in our solar system? The typical answer these days is 8, but that might not be the best possible answer. And the story goes much deeper than just one particularly lovable ball of ice out past Neptune. In fact, there could be well over 30 planetary bodies scattered throughout the solar system. Let's explore. The International Astronomical Union, or IAU, has a 3-part definition of what makes something a planet. First, it has to orbit the sun. Second, it has to be large enough to make itself round by its own gravity. And third, it has to have cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. Essentially, the IAU planets are the largest objects orbiting the sun that define regions of our solar system. You could talk about an Earth asteroid as a Mars-crossing asteroid, for instance. 8 planets make this cutoff, which you're probably familiar with. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The IAU planets are good at defining zones of the solar system, but it's pretty easy to find holes in the IAU's 2006 definition. If you were at all aware of planets in 2006, you'll already know about them.
That made you want to bite yourself that day. Answer.
Different ones. Look, check that one out. We got that one. Look, you can just zoom in and see so many. I don't know why this galaxy is so many. Usually they don't have nearly this many. But let's find a planet with life around here. If we just do it in this area, we should be able to see several nebulae just from wherever the planet is. This planet here? Oh, that's a beautiful planet. Whoa, okay, what are these like mountain areas? Check that out. Okay, let's go take a quick look at the surface because I want to see what all this white area is.
Zane LeBeau.
Or I
It's just like rock formations? Yeah, it's just almost like a desert. Okay, so here's a view of the night sky. I don't see too many. Okay, there's a few nebulae right there. And then if you do zoom in, next we have this cool looking galaxy, which is M82, also known as the Cigar Galaxy. And it's like a normal looking galaxy, but then it has these really vibrant red funnel things coming out of the galaxy. And that is so cool to see. So let's go and find one that is on the edge. So in our night sky, we'll be able to see these giant red pillars. We got a few different nebulae here. Check that one out. But look at that, just like being in the galaxy. Whoa. Okay, let's search for planets right here. Okay, this one might be the most Earth-like planet we've seen so far. Take a look at this one. Very, very green, which is not a lot of the planets in Space Engine are actually green like this one is. We'll take a little zoom in here. If we turn the atmosphere off, we'll be able to kind of see this greenness better. Okay, let's go land on the planet. Let's go like fly next to some of these rivers. Like, check out these canyons that it forms. That is cool. We're going to sit here and we're going to wait for a sunset.
How long did you feel that way?
Okay, that is a sunset. And then what can we see? There's a galaxy that we can see. That looks cool. And then there's, okay, let it go a tiny bit more. Dude, check this out. Okay, this is a view of the night sky looking into the galaxy that we're a part of. So on Earth, you can see the Milky Way at night, but this is what you'd be able to see if you lived in this galaxy at night. The giant red, almost nebula looking pillars of red coming out of the galaxy. And then here's a final view of the galaxy. We'll zoom out again so you can get a better view of it. There it is, the Cigar Galaxy, or M82. Okay, our last galaxy today, Space Engine doesn't have a great model of it, but it is called the Condor Galaxy, and here's a real picture of it so you can see what the galaxy actually looks like. It looks like they just used an image to kind of overlay it, but you will be able to get into the galaxy and see that there are a ton of stars. Whoa, look at that. Okay, let's find a planet with life that looks very Earth-like. We're gonna head towards the center of the galaxy, and we're gonna search. Here it is. This is a temperate marine super Terra with life, so it is way bigger than Earth is. It is 3.3 times the mass of Earth. So the kind of life that would develop here is nothing like what it would be on Earth. Just take a look at this planet. That is so, this looks almost like sandy areas. Yeah, it's like cracked sand. Whoa.
Talking to us.
Today, we're going to be using Space Engine to visit 5 different galaxies. Okay, here is the Andromeda Galaxy from an outside view. You can see some of the smaller galaxies and stuff around here. We're going to go in the Andromeda Galaxy now. We're going to fly through. So our goal right now is to just find something that looks cool. That's our first thing. So like maybe a nebula like this thing here. Yes, check this out. Okay, that's a pretty cool looking nebula. Okay, here's a brighter view of that same nebula. And we can actually click this and determine if it's real or not. It's procedural, which means this is not a real object, but Space Engine is trying its best to kind of